So this is a video how to make a game passing. Please donate. So you go into this, then go into your game, and then press configure start game. And yeah, wait. I don't know. So to create a game pass. You go into edit and configure experience. Then you go to then you click create pass. Then choose file. Then you just need to when you see your image, just click on it. So I'm just gonna do admin and say admin. Oh, someone just this is how you make a standard, please tell me. Then you click on this, configure. Bro, what's happening? Alex YT donated 1,000 to the Bob the Builder 4556666. Bro, why does he have a coin there, right there? Why does he have a coin? Bro, shame on you, Alex. Bro, I'm just joking. 1,000, how? I just stopped. Now press on sales. Then you do the number you want to do. I will do 1,000 because 1,000 feels like a number. No, 1,000. No, I will do 10,000. No one will even donate. No. 1,300. I just want to make an even number. Okay, this is 1,000. This is 1,000. So you go back in the game. Then now, look at this. So you get please donate stand. Okay. I just need to find my stand. You just press on claim stand, press on claim stand. But I already have a group, which is right over here. No one literally donated to me. The 1,000. Bro, what the hell is this? No, it's here. So, bye guys. The video is ending. Bye.